Hello everyone, this is Coach Jingo, and in this video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to explain to you the difference between Ad Center and Ads Manager. Facebook has changed a lot ever since, and sometimes it's so difficult to find where are the buttons already. Sa kakapalit ni Facebook, minsan litong-lito na tayo. That's why we need to update. I'm just here to say that you need to keep learning kasi po, sometimes what you've learned last month is already an obsolete thing kasi nag-update na si Facebook. Palagi siyang nag-update. In this video, I'm going to update you where to find all the buttons that you are looking for when it comes to advertising. So, kung gusto nyo pong makita yung inyong ad center, you need to go to the page where you want to monitor. On the left side, makikita nyo yung pages. If you have a lot of pages, andyan lahat yan, makikita nyo dyan. And then, if you want to monitor a certain page, you only have to click that page. This page has been restricted since July 2020. I can no longer boost post from this page or run an ad in this page. But of course, as Facebook ad strategist, I do strategizing, so I'm still able to run an ad for this particular business of mine. But I can tackle that in another video. Anyway, as you can see here, lahat po ng post ko is boost unavailable. That is because ayaw na po akong pag-negosyohin ni Facebook. And ang sabi niya, I was restricted to a violation on a certain policy. Well, I'm going to show you that sometimes it's so difficult to figure out which policy and what violation you really have violated, or kung ano man yung pagkakamali, because Facebook sometimes do not give any explanation. So you need to figure out yourself. Now, in order for you to find out your ad center and monitor everything, you need to scroll down and go here, Ad Center. Okay, from here you will see that the page are no longer allowed to advertise. Anyway, if you are allowed to advertise, you can monitor analytics from reach to post engagements to link clicks, okay? Also, the ads that you have run over the years, dito nyo po lahat makikita. Okay? And if you want to view what happened to your ads, bakit siya may restriction, you can go to all ads, and this is the one that has been rejected in July 12, 2020. Sometimes Facebook is giving us about a year to appeal, and as long as your appeal channel or your access to an appeal is open, you just keep appealing, okay? Just keep on asking for a review. And I let this go for like 6 months, and I just submitted another appeal a few days ago, okay? Now, dito rin po sa Ad Center, pwede kayong gumawa ng audiences. So, from here, you can create an audience. Para tong audience insights sa BM, nakakagawa dito ng mga audiences. Like for example, dito sa Zoom, you can set the age, the gender, and the location, also interests, and some targeting. What is the difference? You can all get this from the page engagements, none from the pixel. Okay. So, ito po, pwede rin ito kung wala kayong website. When Facebook implemented the Facebook shops, of course, there is place where the Facebook shop owners must monitor their activities. That's why the Ad Center has been enhanced para magamit ng mga tao na merong e-commerce profile. Okay. Now, if you want to check the page quality, you click here. So my page has no restrictions or violations, pero restricted. Hindi natin yan maintindihan. And it's so difficult for Facebook to force to explain to us because Facebook believes they do not owe anything from the marketers, which I beg to disagree, but we can't do anything about it. Okay, now, if you want to see your ads manager, there are three ways to do it. First, you can go to your ad center, go to all ads, and click this one. It will bring you to the ads manager dashboard. The other one is go to your ad center and click these three dots over here, and you can visit ads manager from here. The last one is to go to your browser tab and type business.facebook.manager. Okay. So, nakikita nyo dito, wala akong ads. Because a personal ad account cannot run ads. So, hindi ko to nilalagyan ng ads at mahirap na. Okay? At baka personal profile ko ang ma-disabled or ma-restrict, kawawa naman ako. This profile has been existing for like about 15 years already. And then, pag gumawa ako ng another account as a dummy account. So, lahat ng ads ko, niraran ko sa dummy account because I do not want to jeopardize my personal ad account na ginawa ko for my friends and family. All my memories are here, kaya ayokong i-compromise ito. Ang kaibahan nito sa ad center, dito sa Ads Manager po, mamomonitor natin lahat. Over here, we can create a campaign. We can target different audiences using both page engagements and website engagements. And also dito, we can monitor the budget. We can use different bid strategy. We can set up pixels. We can do almost everything. We can retarget. We can. Lahat pwede dito. And from here also, when we already get the reports, we can view the analytics, and from there, we can strategize our ads. Sa Ad Center, wala pong ganon. So, ang kaibahan nila, sa Facebook Ad Center, very minimal and contained ang inyong pwedeng gawin. While sa Ads Manager, you can do almost everything a professional advertiser can do. Okay? So, there's too many to explain, but of course, you do not want to get overwhelmed by just one video. You need to study it bit by bit, inch by inch, in order to suck all the information up. Hindi po makukuha ng isang video lang. You cannot even learn Facebook ads in 1 year because of the constant change na nangyayari. So, that's it. I hope may naintindihan po kayo. This is Jingo and I'll see you next video.
Whoa.